AI versus humans. What to automate, and what needs a human touch. AI offers efficiency and automation, but how do you determine which tasks should be automated and which require human expertise?
If you automate too much, you risk losing the personal touch that sets your business apart.
If you automate too little, you waste valuable time on tasks AI could handle better.
The key: AI isn't here to replace you, it's here to work with you. One AI versus human, who does what best? Where AI outperforms humans, AI shines in tasks requiring speed, accuracy, and data processing. It never gets tired, makes fewer errors, and works 24/7.
Data processing and automation. AI quickly analyzes massive data sets.
Repetitive tasks. AI eliminates human error in scheduling, invoicing, and data entry.
Predictive analytics. AI detects patterns, helping forecast trends and optimize marketing.
24/7 customer support. AI chatbots handle inquiries instantly, improving response time. Where human expertise is essential. AI lacks emotional intelligence, intuition, and adaptability. Qualities critical for leadership, creativity, and decision-making. Creativity and innovation. AI generates content but can't create new ideas. Emotional intelligence and relationships. AI can simulate empathy, but it doesn't truly understand human emotions. Complex decision-making and ethics. AI struggles with ambiguity and moral judgment. Context and adaptability. AI follows rules, while humans think outside the box. 2. What tasks should you automate? AI is best suited for repetitive, rule-based tasks that require speed and precision. Repetitive, rule-based tasks. Data entry and document processing. Invoice and payroll management. Scheduling and appointment setting. Customer service and support. AI chatbots handle FAQs and routine inquiries. Automated ticketing systems improve support efficiency. AI voice assistants streamline call centers. Marketing and sales automation. AI-driven email campaigns personalize follow-ups. Predictive lead scoring prioritizes high-value customers. AI-powered content generation saves time. Data analysis and forecasting. AI processes financial data to detect trends. Predictive analytics optimize inventory and supply chains. Sentiment analysis tracks brand reputation. Shout what tasks still require human expertise? AI is powerful but has clear limitations. It can't replace human creativity, emotional intelligence, or strategic thinking.
Creativity and innovation, brand storytelling and marketing strategy. Unique product design and advertising campaigns. Creative problem solving and brainstorming. Emotional intelligence and relationship building. Negotiations and high-value sales. Handling customer complaints. Building client trust and loyalty. Complex decision-making and ethics. Business strategy and leadership decisions. Legal and ethical dilemmas in AI use. Crisis management and risk assessment. Let AI provide data-driven insights but always have human oversight for strategic decisions.
4. Balancing AI and human touch in business. While AI improves efficiency, over-automation can lead to loss of personal connection, customer frustration, and brand trust issues. Risks of over-automation: lack of personalization. Customers may feel frustrated when they can't reach a human. AI bias and ethical concerns. AI can reinforce hiring, lending, and customer service biases. Loss of brand authenticity. AI-generated content may feel robotic and uninspired. Best practices for AI-human collaboration. Keep AI in a supportive role. AI provides insights, but humans make the final decisions. Use AI to enhance, not replace personalization. AI helps segment audiences, but human marketers craft meaningful messages. Maintain human oversight in AI decisions. Regularly review AI-generated content, hiring practices, and customer interactions. But success isn't about replacing human expertise. It's about knowing what to automate and what still requires human intelligence.